Context managers in Python streamline resource management by ensuring resources are properly acquired and released. The with statement simplifies this process, automatically invoking the .has, enter das, and exit das methods. This ensures efficient handling of resources like files or network connections, reducing errors and improving code readability. Context managers in Python simplify resource management by ensuring resources like files and database connections are properly acquired and released. They use the with statement, invoking hotdart, enter, and exit methods for automatic cleanup. This approach reduces errors compared to traditional try-finally blocks, enhancing code reliability and maintainability. Resource management is vital in production systems to prevent leaks and deadlocks. Files, database connections, and network sockets must be properly managed. Traditional try-finally blocks are verbose and error-prone, often leading to forgotten cleanup or incorrect exception handling. This results in subtle bugs, especially under load, and inconsistent cleanup patterns across code bases. Manual cleanup in resource management is fraught with challenges. Developers must remember to close resources like files, risking leaks if exceptions occur. While try-finally blocks ensure cleanup, they are verbose and cumbersome. In complex systems, this approach leads to unmanageable nesting and increased error potential, highlighting the need for a more efficient solution. Context managers in Python streamline resource management by encapsulating acquisition and release logic. Using the with statement ensures resources are cleaned up, even if exceptions occur. This pattern allows business logic to focus on resource usage, while the context manager handles acquisition and release, ensuring clean and efficient code execution. Enter is invoked as you enter the with block, acquiring resources. Within the block, your code executes, potentially raising exceptions. Exit is always called upon block exit, ensuring resource release and cleanup. This protocol guarantees robust cleanup, whether the block ends normally, with a return, or due to an exception. The with statement in Python begins by evaluating an expression to obtain a context manager object. The chas method is then called, acquiring resources, and optionally binding a return value to a variable. The with block executes, and upon completion or exception, exit is invoked, ensuring resource cleanup. Built-in context managers streamline resource management. For file operations, using with open ensures files are closed, preventing leaks. In threading, with lock guarantees, locks are released, avoiding deadlocks. For database transactions, with db.transaction, automates commit or rollback, ensuring data integrity. These tools enhance efficiency and reliability in various applications. Creating a custom context manager involves defining a class with enter and exit methods. In File Logger, enter opens a file and returns it for use, while exit ensures the file is closed, handling exceptions by returning false. This pattern simplifies resource management, ensuring files are properly opened and closed during operations. The exit.has method in context managers receives 3 arguments: xtype, xvalue, and traceback. These parameters help manage exceptions. If no exception occurs, all are none. Otherwise, they provide details about the error. Returning false allows exceptions to propagate, while true suppresses them. Use this mechanism to handle errors effectively within your context manager. Exit handles exceptions by receiving details like type, instance, and traceback. If no exception occurs, it performs standard cleanup. When exceptions arise, it can log or handle them. Returning true suppresses exceptions, but it's rare. Best practice is to return false, allowing exceptions to propagate unless you have a specific reason to suppress them. The database transaction class ensures reliable database operations. Upon entering, it begins a transaction. If no exceptions occur, it commits changes, confirming success. If an exception arises, it rolls back, preserving data integrity. This approach prevents partial updates, maintaining consistency. Returning false allows exceptions to propagate, ensuring issues are addressed. Python's ContextLib module streamlines context manager creation. Using the eContext Manager decorator, you can define context managers with generator functions, reducing boilerplate. For instance, the file logger function opens a file, yields it for use, and ensures closure, encapsulating both enter and exit logic efficiently. The Context Manager decorator simplifies context manager creation. The function runs up to the yield statement, acting as enter. The yielded value is assigned to the A's variable in the with statement, allowing access to the resource. After the with block, code following yield executes as exit, usually in a finally block for cleanup. The Timer Context Manager measures execution time for code blocks. It starts timing before the block and calculates elapsed time after. This is useful for profiling operations like data processing, where you load, process, and save data, providing insights into performance efficiency. Python's context managers can handle multiple resources efficiently. Using a single with statement, you can open multiple files or acquire multiple locks, ensuring resources are managed safely. This approach prevents deadlocks by maintaining a consistent acquisition order and guarantees release, enhancing code reliability and readability. The API Session class exemplifies a context manager for API sessions, ensuring efficient connection pooling and authentication. Upon entering, it initializes a session with a bearer token and connection pool. Exiting cleans up resources. This design simplifies API interactions, automatically managing connections while fetching data like users and orders. Reentrant context managers allow multiple entries, even within themselves, ideal for recursive algorithms. Python's threading. rlock exemplifies this, enabling the same thread to acquire it multiple times without deadlocking. Using ContextLib, a reentrant logger can manage nested operations, incrementing depth on entry and decrementing on exit, ensuring smooth recursive processing. Ensure each context manager handles a single resource to maintain clarity. Always use finally blocks for cleanup, even if exceptions occur. Document the resources managed, exception handling, and side effects. Test exception paths to confirm cleanup executes correctly, ensuring robust and reliable context management. Context managers introduce minimal overhead, typically involving just 2 method calls. The benefits of guaranteed cleanup and cleaner code outweigh this cost. Avoid creating them in tight loops where performance is critical. Instead, create once and reuse. The microseconds of overhead are negligible compared to resource-intensive operations like file input, output, or database queries. Ensure, enter. Return self or a resource to avoid none in the as variable. Avoid swallowing exceptions by returning true from var exit, only when necessary and fully handling errors. In a context manager functions, always use finally to guarantee cleanup, even if exceptions occur. Testing context managers ensures robust error handling and resource management. Using unit test and mock, we verify that successful transactions commit changes, while exceptions trigger rollbacks. This approach guarantees that database states remain consistent, preventing data corruption. Such tests are crucial for maintaining application reliability and integrity, especially in complex systems where database interactions are frequent. Temporary environment changes can be managed using context managers. By setting an environment variable temporarily, we ensure that tests run with specific configurations without permanent changes. This approach is crucial for testing scenarios like API timeouts, where the environment is automatically restored, maintaining system integrity and preventing side effects. Context managers are essential for resource management, handling files, sockets, and database connections that require explicit cleanup. They manage state changes, like acquiring and releasing locks, and are crucial for setup and teardown operations, such as starting and stopping timers. Additionally, they ensure error handling with guaranteed cleanup, even when exceptions occur. Context managers ensure automatic resource cleanup, preventing leaks and simplifying error handling. The with statement guarantees Exit. Execution. Create them using classes for complex logic or decorators for simpler cases. Exception handling is built in, with GAUS exit managing errors gracefully. Use context managers for files, locks, connections, and transactions to enhance code safety and clarity.